VeChain is right now at this very interesting zone, but will we finally see the bullish breakout or do we see even lower prices? In this video I will talk about VeChain and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, VeChain and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So after the last high in this year, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels and we came all the way down into this last demand zone, which was the start of this massive bullish run. And often if we're coming in a big demand zone, then the chance is high that big players will defend their positions, because if we're seeing at this low right here, we can see this longer consolidation and then this bullish breakout. So the chance that the big player came here into the market to push the price to the upside is very high. If we are coming back into the zones, then the chance is high that big players will defend their position or open new positions, and the chance is then high that we are seeing a bullish breakout. And if we have a look at the price action, you can see we had this two massive wicks right here, and this is a chance that here took some liquidity, which was resting in this lows. And if we are now seeing bullish price action, then the chance is extremely high that big players came into the market and we see higher prices in the near future. So now it's important, if we are breaking this last high to the upside and seeing bullish momentum, and of course this last high right here, because from this high we saw this move into the lowest low right here. So if we can break this one, we are in a bullish daily structure again, and then the chance is high that we are coming into this last supply zone. And if we can also break this one to the upside, then the chance is high that we could see the real bullish explosion for VeChain. As long as we are not breaking this last demand zone to the downside, because from this low we saw this price increase. So just if we are breaking this one and find bearish acceptance, then the chance is high that we are seeing even lower prices. But as long as we are not seeing this one and see higher prices in the near future, then the chance is high that we could see the bullish explosion. So if we are finally seeing the bullish explosion right here, I would have a look at this last special highs, because at this highs the chance is very high that we have liquidity over there. So if the price comes here, the chance for a pullback is there, and I would take some profits. And if we can break this once and retest it, it's a great chance to get into new positions if you want to buy more VeChain in the upcoming bull run. And if you want to trade VeChain, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get up to 20% rebate bonus on top. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.